Have you started using AI at work? If you don't know how to start, today I'm going to show you a use case on how to use AI at your work. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you an example how you can use AI to help you achieve your goal or your KPI. There are many types of AI available right now, especially the free one. So my recommendation is to start with the free one. And if you know that it is so helpful, then you can subscribe to the premium version. So the free one in the market right now, the most famous ones, of course, is ChatGPT, Google Bard, and also Microsoft Copilot or Bing AI. Now, in this video, I'm going to use Microsoft Copilot or Bing AI to show you. But the same thing will work for other AI platforms as well. Let's jump right into my computer and I'll show you how. Okay, now you're in my computer right now, and I'm going to show you how to access the Bing chat or Bing AI, right? Just go bing.com. Okay, so once you are here, you can see the chat on top over here. Just click on the chat. Now it brings you to the so-called the Copilot, right? This is the Microsoft Bing AI or the Copilot. So we come over here. Now, the example today I'm going to show you is about how to achieve your goal. So what you can do is I will type the prompt, okay, to speed up so that you don't waste your time. So basically, the prompt was saying I have identified a significant challenge at work, which is to achieve my sales goal because it is 50% higher than my last goal. Okay, to overcome the obstacle, I need a structured plan of action. Please outline a step-by-step strategy or action plan that I can follow to address this challenge and work towards achieving my goal. That's something just telling it that you have a problem achieving the goal, or you have a new goal that you need to achieve and you needed to come up with a structured plan. So you can copy exactly my prompt or you can come up with something yours, right? So let's see how it comes out with. So now you can see that the Bing AI is already put to work and it comes up with the plan, a strategy on how you can achieve the goal, you see. So even giving you step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and so on. So how good is that, right? So you can see that, yeah. Now, this is the plan. If you're not happy, you can ask it, right? You can ask it to elaborate or you can change it. Let's say, for example, if I want to, let's talk about develop a sales plan, custom, okay, track your progress. Okay, so this is point number 6. Please elaborate more on point 6 on how my team can track the progress better. So let's see what's the answer. So you can ask it like something like, this is your guide or your coach, okay, to someone that can help you, you see. So here you can see that, right, to track and even recommend some software for you, right? So that we can use this software to actually help us to track it. So you see, now these are all the software, yeah, that recommend how to track better. So to elaborate further on the one of the points up here. Now you have further question, of course, you can ask it or you can change it, right? So even you can ask it that from the above suggested apps, which one is free to use, right? Which one is free? If you don't want to pay for it, you want to try it, you can ask them, yeah? At least see what's the answer. So it tells you that HubSpot provides a free sales tracking software. Okay. What other apps? Like, I mean, it just like treat it as like a guide someone, then you just ask the question. So you can see that sometimes it may not gives you the one, right? You'll start with the one, right? HubSpot. Okay, so interesting that it gets stuck here. Now, the thing, this is not perfect. The other side, right? This is not perfect, but at least you have some ideas. Yeah. So some of these, you can suggest like some of these so-called apps to help us to track our sales progress. And the most important part is that it gives us some strategy, right? So there are 7-step strategies, yeah, to help us achieve a goal, right? Now, if you don't have any idea, so this is something that you can start like brainstorming together with your AI co-pilot or friends or partner, right? So treat it as someone like assistant to help you come up with ideas, and then you can, of course, you don't exactly copy 100% of that, but you can use that idea to build on new ideas. You see, so I hope this will give you some glimpse on how to use the AI to help you achieve your goals and grow your career. There are many ways you can use AI. So I hope this video will show you an example. And the most important thing is go and try it. Now, if you have questions or you want to learn more about other use cases, just leave a comment right below and I'll try my best to answer you. Now, meanwhile, if you like this type of content, do follow us for more, because I'm going to create more example or use cases to help you utilize AIs and perform better in your career. By the way, I'm Andrew, and I create productivity videos to help you grow your career. So do subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that every week when we publish, you will be notified. So I will see you real soon in my next video.